Good day and welcome in the Bard's Cave of Treasure. Today, what is that day? There it is. I'm checking my 5 to 50 bucks strategy, one buck slice, and let's see how are things now. These are bad days. The Bitcoin is falling, the dollar is falling, everything is falling. But yet, we survived until now. So what is the thing? I have $1 to spend. So I don't have even $5 to get a -1. So let's see if I can slice 1 or 4 bucks from somewhere. I have sorted them by income and we are going to the +1. Let's see. There's +4, +3, +2. Okay, +2 on 20. I should check this. But, okay, Starbucks is +1, and there is the first victim, Doe. Doe have made $1. Ooh, they are funny. Okay, let's sell that. Are they opened? They are opened. Let's hope it will made immediately and will open 5. Okay. Right, there is that volatility, but who cares? Who cares? Okay, let's see. I should have $2. 2.4. Good. Let's see if there is another one. This is a lot. Ah, Walmart. Okay, let's slice the Walmart. We'll sell this. Slicing $1. We'll get one. Okay, what do we have? Okay, the Heineken, I have played it, so I will take 5 from here. So I can buy 2 more. This is like a strategy game where I have a lot of towns. I have at least 3 or 4 videos where on civilization games I have made more than 100 towns per game. So I should be able to handle a lot of information, right? I have practiced this. And where I went, I lost myself. Let's see. We're going to the Heineken. 1 Heineken, please appear. Okay, I need $3 so I can just slice 3. I can slice the whole position and reopen it. But Toyota. Toyota should be sliced. Okay. And can they do that immediately? They can. And we have Toyota again. I like having cars. I can show off in front of women. They just don't know that I have shares, not the car itself. But it's fun. Okay, we have the OMV. What is that thing? This is in Europe. Okay, I can slice the half of the position. And that should be, let's see, how I have, we are 11. Maybe if I get 4 from somewhere. Let's see if I have another $5 for slicing. Going to the ones, 111, Samsung. That thing didn't made immediately. Samsung is +8, but that should be enough. I don't have other 5s for slicing. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is on plus. All right, I will get a few from Coca-Cola because I need what is that? 3.3. I need 4. Approximately. Okay, we'll get 4 bucks from Coca-Cola. Long live Coca-Cola. I think this is the oldest company in the world. Or maybe not. What are they doing? What is Coca-Cola doing? They found treasure. They have made quests and opened gold chests. Okay, so the idea is the same. If I buy it from here with 5 and follow the strategy, I can lose only 50, right? And if it goes to 100 in 20 years, to 1,000. Okay, 1,000 should be too much. I'm getting delusional. Let's see if I have other things to slice. The Illinois tools. Ooh, what are they doing? Muscle exercises. 2. Okay, we will slice 5 from here. It's not good dividend, but it is dividend. And now I can get 5 minuses. Time to go for the minuses. The beautiful part. I have learned to live with that. All right, I have on the Amazon. Beautiful. Yeah, I will buy it in this beautiful falling thing. And then again, if it continues, I will buy another 5 to average the position. Okay, the Lenovo is not the what? Okay, this company is for gold digging. That is, it is cheap. I have 5 bucks with 100 shares. So if one day it goes, so I will not touch it. Sony. Sony are in a beautiful downtrend, but let's say they can fall a little more. Lenovo. Okay, I can see 5s. Microsoft. There. They will get 5. Right, now we have 8. This is 3. This will stay 8. We have 8 on -1. What is that doing here? This is volatility. There is what volatility does. It haven't adjusted position. Okay, 8 with 1. Now we have 18. This should be 20s with 1. Okay, maybe there are a lot of candidates for buying here. And we go for the 2. 2 with 12. This is good. So I have sliced this how many times? 3 times. Okay, I think XP World. What are they doing? What is that word in English? Trying to escape from the quicksands. Okay, we'll take it. XP World. Right. Now they have 12 with 2. Oh, Nintendo 7 with 2. Good. Nintendo, what are Nintendo doing? I'm playing Mario Bros these days. Apparently, they don't care. Look what they do. So let's get 5. Even if they stop make games, I think their old games will bring something. So I think Nintendo have future. Netflix, but they're 21 minus 3. Not yet. Maybe when it begin to make a few green candles, I can get another one because I'm close to my limits on these things. 0%. Netflix, cheap dudes. 16 on 3 is fine, but who are these? This is some new company. They even don't have any statistics. Okay, 20 should be enough for them. We'll watch them closely or from time to time. Okay, triple point. Actually, this is for dividend, so I will take 5 here. I still need to build a lot of dividend positions. All right. Green root -4. They should be dividend of 9%. Okay, innovative something. 15. Kitty, kitty. Ah, what? What I did? I, I spent everything on that company. Okay, well, I do misclicks quite often. Good thing is that I usually don't have a lot of books to misclick. All right, so if I played this properly, I should have a few more books to buy some falling companies for dividends, and the rest will stay. We have fives placed, we have fives going down, and these are my best minuses. The Oxford Lane. The Oxford Lane, we cross fingers for them. They survive this downtrend. Okay. Let's say again the 10, if 10 is some psychological resistance, they can be fine if they recover. These days, I saw Stellantis is cutting the dividends. This company, I don't know why it fall. They are, what are they doing? Let's see. Manufacturing. Automobiles. People don't need cars. Maybe. Okay. I'm thinking to close it on -50 because this is the strategy. But I'll wait a little longer. Can I afford 84, 85 to lose? They have given some dividends, so maybe I can get. I have about 10 or 20 bucks for the 2 years of Stellantis. But right, this is for now. And next time we're checking the slice again. And the poor Ubisoft. I cannot sell this because I love this company. And I will fall with her. Yes.